why Club Cash Fund is so unique. For just a one-time out-of-pocket $80, you can position yourself to leverage hundreds and even thousands of dollars coming to your mailbox on a weekly basis. Now, before I get into those details, let me first explain what you don't need to do in Club Cash Fund. You don't need any stamps. You don't need envelopes. You don't do any mailings, and you don't need to spend time in line at the post office. You see, the company does all that, and you get paid. This is why the company gets $20 from every sign-up. Cash Club Fund also puts you in their company rotator. Now, the way this works is when somebody goes to the company and signs up, they don't have a referral. So what Club Cash Fund did was set up a rotator so every person that joins will have a spot in the rotator. And as these people come in without a sponsor, they'll be given to the next person in the rotator. Therefore, it makes it fair and equal for everybody that's in the club. Whether someone comes from the rotator or comes from someone that you personally send your link, you still get paid either way. Now I'm going to show you how the compensation plan works. You refer someone that joins Club Cash Fund for $80. The $80 is distributed out like this. Your name is in position number 1, so you get $20. Your sponsor gets $20, their sponsor gets $20, and the company always in position 4 gets $20. Now, when your referral refers someone, your name is in position number 2. Your referral gets $20, you get $20, your sponsor gets $20, and the company gets $20. I'm sure by now you see how this works. Your name will be in position 3 when one of your referrals get someone, they'll get $20, and your referral will get $20, and you, of course, will get $20, and the company gets $20. What I'm going to show you now is really exciting. It's the reason I joined Club Cash Fund in the first place. It's because of the leverage that this business creates. Now, what I'm about to show you is for illustration purposes only and is not intended to imply any guarantee of income. In this scenario, let's say that one of your referral signs up 5 people. Well, that's 5 times $20. Of course, they get $100. And your referral would get $100. You get $100, and the company gets $100. Remember, the money's generated from the $80 that all 5 paid to join. Now, that's great, but look at what can happen when you and your team each sponsor 5 people. You sponsor 5 times $20, that's $100 for you. Those 5 sponsor 5, that's 25 people times $20, that's $500 for you. Now, when those 25 people sponsor just 5 people, that's 125 people times $20, that's $2,500 coming to you. So what if you signed up 25 referrals? 25 times $20, that's $500. Now, what if your 25 people just got 10? That would give you 250 people on your team. You multiply that 250 times $20, that's $5,000 in your pocket. Now, remember, these 250 people are your referrals. So if they went ahead and did the same thing and got 10, giving you 2,500 people on your team times $20 would give you $50,000 in Club Cash Fund. Now, this is fantastic since you never have to upgrade and you only pay $80 one time. So what do you do now? Just click the button below this video, or if somebody sent you an email or text, just use that particular link. You'll be taken to this site, and all you need to do is put in your name and your email. You'll be taken on the inside where you can watch this video, and the form will pop up for you to register. The company will send you your kit and the instructions on how to pay the $80.